In this tutorial, you will learn how to enable or open the launcher again in Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut. If you use Steam, first go to your library, right-click Ghost of Tsushima, select Properties. In Launch Options, type the following command. Now close the window and launch your game. If you are a non-Steam user, first right-click your Ghost of Tsushima shortcut. Select Properties. At the very end of Target, press your spacebar once and type the following command. Press Apply and then OK. Now launch Ghost of Tsushima. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.